What if you could build a full stack app in minutes, no setup, no downloads, just your browser and a little help from Google's AI? Welcome to Firebase Studio. The future of coding is here and it's mind blowing. Hey everyone, I'm Shivam, and today I'm showing you something that's changing how we build apps forever. Firebase Studio, formerly Project IDX, is Google's new AI powered coding platform. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll see how you can go from idea to live app without ever leaving your browser ready. Let's dive in. Firebase Studio is Google's all in one cloud coding platform. Think VS Code, but in your browser powered by AI. It's not just a code editor, it's your coding buddy, your AI assistant, your deployment tool, and your testing lab all rolled into one. Getting started is super easy. Just go to studio.firebase.google.com, sign in with your Google account, and boom, you're in. You can start with ready-made templates for web, mobile, or backend apps, or if you already have a project, just import it from GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. No installations, no waiting, you're coding in seconds. Here's where it gets wild. Gemini, Google's AI, is built right in. Just type what you want, add authentication, create a dashboard, or even fix this bug, and Gemini writes the code for you. You can chat with Gemini, ask questions, or even use images and drawings to describe what you want. It's like having a senior developer by your side 24/7. Want to build a full app from just an idea? Use the app prototyping agent. Describe your app in plain English, like I want a travel dashboard with a calendar and maps, and Firebase Studio creates it. Front end, back end, even AI features all set up for you. I started creating a travel dashboard app with a calendar and map by just typing a simple prompt. The AI began generating the code, modifying files, and building the app step by step. After some time, the preview loaded, but there was an error related to create context. I allowed the AI to fix it, and it resolved the issue quickly. Now the app has options like previewing, copying a link, and even scanning a QR code to open it on your phone. The calendar works well. You can select dates, see highlights, and view trip details. I added a trip from 16th to 22nd May, and it showed up perfectly on the calendar. The map wasn't loading at first, but that's because I hadn't provided a Google Maps API key, easily fixable. You can also open the full code in a browser-based VS Code editor with side-by-side preview and AI assistance via Gemini. You can ask it questions, fix bugs, and make live changes without any setup. This is the real power of Firebase Studio, building full websites with live previews and AI coding support, all in the browser. It's super efficient and beginner friendly. Just give it a prompt and it does the rest. It's perfect for brainstorming hackathons or impressing your boss. Testing your app, preview it instantly in the browser, or share a public link or QR code to test on your phone when you're ready. Deploy your app with one click using Firebase app. Hosting, no servers to manage, no complicated configs. Your app goes live in seconds and you can share it with the world. Building with friends or a team, Firebase Studio lets you collaborate in real time. Just share your workspace link. And if you want inspiration, check out their template gallery, games, dashboards, AI chatbots, all ready to remix and launch. Why is Firebase Studio such a big deal? No more setup headaches, no more switching between tools. AI helps you code faster, fix bugs, and even design your app. You can build web, mobile, and back-end apps all in one place for free. It's perfect for beginners, pros, and everyone in between, ready to try it yourself. Head to studio.firebase.google.com and start building your dream app today. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what you'll build with Firebase Studio. Want more tutorials? Let me know below. Thanks for watching. Check out these other videos for more app building hacks. See you next time.